Hi everyone, are you trying to download and install Java for Minecraft but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step to get you up and running in no time. By the end of this guide, you'll have Java fully installed, ready to use for Minecraft mods, Optifine, or anything else you need. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you find this video helpful. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. Let's get started. The first step is to download Java from the official website. Open your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other. Once you're in the browser, head to a search engine like Google. Type Java download and press enter. From the search results, look for the link to java.com. This is the official website for Java, so make sure you're downloading it from there to avoid any security risks. Once you're on the site, you'll see a big Download Java button. Click it to start the download. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Now that we have the Java installer, let's get it installed on your computer. Double-click on the file you just downloaded. If a Windows security pop-up appears, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. A setup window will appear. Click Install to begin the process. You'll see a progress bar as the installation runs. Once the installation is complete, you'll get a confirmation message that Java has been successfully installed. Click Close to finish up, and that's it. Java is now installed. But there's one more step we need to take, so let's move on. In some cases, Minecraft mods or server setups require an additional component called the Java SE Development Kit, or JDK. Don't worry, it's free and just as easy to install. Go back to your browser and search for Java SE Development Kit. Click on the link for oracle.com, which is the official source for the JDK. Once you're on the site, find the section labeled Java SE Downloads. You'll see a list of options for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. For most users, you'll want to choose the Windows x64 installer. Click the download link, and the JDK installer will begin downloading. As before, locate the file in your Downloads folder and drag it to your desktop to keep it handy. Now let's install the JDK. Double-click the JDK installer file. You'll get another security pop-up. Just click Yes to proceed. The installation wizard will open. Click Next to start the setup. You'll be asked to choose an installation location. The default location is usually fine for most users, so click Next again. The installation process will begin, and you'll see another progress bar. This may take a few minutes depending on your system. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message that the JDK has been successfully installed. Click Close to finish. Step 5. Setting Java as the default for .jar files. With both Java and the JDK installed, we're almost done. Now we need to make sure Java is set up to open Minecraft-related files like .jar files. Restart your computer to ensure the installations are fully applied. Once your computer is back on, locate the .jar file you're trying to run, for example, Optifine or a Minecraft mod. Right-click on the file and select Open With from the options. Choose another app. In the list that appears, look for Java TM Platform SE Binary. If you don't see it, click More Apps or browse to find it manually. Check the box that says Always use this app to open .jar files and click OK. Now when you double-click on any .jar file, it will automatically use Java to open it. And that's it. You've successfully installed Java and the JDK, and you're all set to use it with Minecraft. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more guides just like this. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!